Loud snoring keeping you up. It might be more than just annoying, it could be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea. Let us find out. Snoring happens when your airway gets blocked during sleep. A key symptom of obstructive sleep apnea. This can lead to daytime fatigue, mood swings, and even heart risks. Look out for gasping at night or morning headaches. The fix: see a doctor for a sleep study. Try sleeping on your side. Or consider a CPAP machine for serious cases. Don't ignore the snore. Talk to a doctor and sleep better tonight. Like and follow for more health hacks.